Let's see how to turn off grid snapping in Canva. If you're not familiar with the term grid snapping, it's when you try to drag an element in Canva, but it doesn't move as freely as you want it to. I'll show you an example here. First, we open up our design and we choose anything from our elements. So in this case, let's select this template. So there's already pre-made elements in the design. I'll try to drag this element. Can you see how the movement is very rigid? That's grid snapping. To be able to get out of that, all you have to do is hold the control button on your keyboard or the command button on your Mac. After that, all you have to do is drag the element you want and move it around. You can do this with images, texts, basically anything you add to the canvas. That's it. That's how to turn off grid snapping in Canva. See you soon.